Here we go. We have a question: delete alternate nodes. So you have given a singly linked list, and our task is to delete the alternate nodes of the list. That is, delete all the nodes present in the even position. So description is very clear, and it is pretty self-explanatory. So we have given this linked list. So this is the representation of a linked list, and the red nodes is the nodes that we want to remove, and output is the expected linked list. So after deleting 2 and 4, the output will look like this. So that's about it. This is the second example where we have to delete 59 and 20. That is the node present in the even position. So after that, this is the expected output. So let's try to build the approach. So we have this example. In this example, we have given the head node. Head node is this, and this is our linked list. So what I will do is, I will initialize my current to head. Then I will need to remove this node first. So what I will do is, I will change its pointer. Now its pointer is not pointing to 7, its pointer is pointing to the next node. So how can I do this? Current dot next means this pointer, this this pointer will point to this pointer will point to current dot next. In this case, current dot next is 7 to its next. 7 dot next is 9. So now its next pointer will point to 9. So let me remove this pointer first. So this pointer will now point to 9. So what it simply means is, this node is not linked anymore. So this node will get removed automatically. Not removed, but it will, although it will take space, but it is not linked to any node. Now current is pointing to this node. We need to reinitialize our current to the next value. So current will be current dot next. Current will jump to the next node. Now current is pointing to this node. Same applies here. Current next will point to 11. So we need to reinitialize its next pointer. Now it is pointing to this node. Next we need to take one step ahead. Current is pointing to this node. Now here current dot next is already null. So current dot next is already null, and null dot next is invalid. So we have to be careful here. So we have a while loop while current is not null, and current dot next is also not equal to null. So in this case, current dot next is equal to null, so we cannot do anything. Let me add one more node. So suppose we have 7 here. For this case, current is not equal to null, and current dot next is also not null. We have a node, so we need to change the next pointer. So this current stays here. First we need to change the next pointer. Its next pointer will now point to the null value. Now current will jump ahead. Current will move to this value. Now current is pointing to null. Current is null. Now we are get out of the while loop. So that's how we need to remove this node or this node, means the even position nodes. So that's about the algorithm. Let's try to code this. So we have this function, and we have a value current initially points to the head node, and we have a while loop. Current not equal to null, and current dot next is also not equal to null. Current next will get reinitialized to its next value. Then current will move ahead. So as you can see, we don't need to return the head node, we just need to remove the nodes. So the head node will get changed automatically because we are changing the current value. We are changing the links. So let's give it a try, and in between let's talk about time and space complexity. In this case, we are removing half of the nodes, so the time complexity will be n by 2 and space complexity is constant. And we have successfully solved this question. The code is pretty small, so the code is given in the description box. If you guys have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and if you don't like this video, press the dislike button twice just to be make sure. And let's wrap it up.